Yeah, let's get started on this paper. Kind of go this. To the bottom. Crack that open. Now they're separated. Before I even take it off, take off the whole tire. They're separated, so it'll be. I'll take off the lock ring. So I can ink this thing off. It's gonna get stuck on this part. Where the stem is, the stem protector. That's why you always gotta be careful with the lock ring. You never know when it's gonna tear it down. And it has that protector so the stem doesn't get broken when they're going through some harsh grade. So, stem protector has those 2 bolts, washers, and that's what holds it on there. Stick that off because it'll be in the way when we're taking off the tire. Put it to the side. So we put it to the side. And right there, wide enough to grab the tire. And grab it without hitting the metal parts of the machine because you don't want to mess up their machine. It's not your machine.
So, don't worry about that. That was a small little dink. But, how do we zip it?
Pull it all the way out. Move it to the side a little bit. Alright. All the dirt off them also. Over. So new, especially if you're putting a new tire on it. Slowly get to the more. Come out. Bring your crane out. Hold your hand on the tire. You know. Heavy old bend. I wait to the wheel. Slam it on. But still heavy. So be careful. Take it back on. Just that heavy. But that's the feel. And then this is the lock ring. It locks everything in place. Put it into place. So I can line up the release all the way. Get ready to clamp it. Get a big ass tire. Iron up tools on this. And what I'm taking out right now is and once you take out the core, hook up a quick air to shoot some air safety. So I put some access. Make sure the lock ring is tight in there, not out of place. 75 to the side. Not 75.